Okay, so Rajit, welcome to session one of our BPO Mastermind strategy sessions. Okay. So this is what I plan to cover. So let me just share my screen with you. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So if you see the typical components of starting from scratch, we'll have these elements. Number one, supply. In supply, you will have something called feasibility, compliance. What is your business plan? Do you have an infrastructure? What is your training? What is your team structure? Right? Then research. Second phase is research. What services will you provide? Who will you provide? What geography you will provide? Competitive landscape. Who is your competition? Is your competition better than you, or it's worse than you? Can you beat your competition, or can you learn from your competition? Then something called GIFP. G stands for geography, I stands for industry, F stands for function, and P stands for process. Right. So this is the complete breakdown of your entire service into GIFP matrix. Then partnership. If can you collaborate with somebody to offer your BPO services? Then we come to the third stage is marketing. So marketing, what makes you different? There are so many BPO providers, there's so many vendors. What is so different about you? How do you run email marketing? What social media marketing should you run? Where are your clients? If your clients are not available on a certain platform, so there is no point chasing those platforms. How to network, contribute, and learn is a very powerful strategy. Then we talk about sales. How do you create pipeline buckets? So we'll talk about buckets. So buckets are nothing but a segment of an industry. How to pitch, how to price your product, what business model should you follow? Should you follow FT model? Should you follow transaction model? Should you follow outcome model? The three kinds of models. Then we'll talk about the mindset. How do you grow yourself? How do you grow your business by setting goals? Right? Making sense? So we'll do it in a very structured way. We'll, we'll break up all the major activities into small parts and we'll focus on that. Okay. So we'll start in a reverse fashion. We'll start from mindset first. Okay. How to grow yourself and set goals. So, Ranjit, if I can ask you the reason that day we spoke on the phone, you said your company, you were working in one company and you saw that everybody was doing a lot of dollar billing, right? They were making a lot of money, and you thought this is also an opportunity that you can chase,
Right,
and that is why you want to start a BPO company. Is that right?
right, sir.
So that's so the why of starting a business should be very clear. So what you're trying to answer is how to get clients. How the word is how. What to pitch, right? Where to pitch. But we fail to ask one big question, that is why. Why did I start this business in the first place? So there are a lot of motivation of people to start. Some people want to generate employment. They want to give back to the society. They want to say that I want to hire so many people. Some people are very good in that field. They have such strong domain knowledge. They think that if I get into the field, I can do something different. I've seen so many bad BPO companies. I want to start the best BPO company. So they start because they have the knowledge. Number three, like you said, you will chase something called opportunity. This is called opportunity chasing. You think that, okay, there is so much of money out there. Let me also dip my hands into that. If they
Right,
can earn in $1,000 per seat, $2,000 per seat, I can also earn. So that is called opportunity. So if your why is very clear, then the other questions will be easy, right?
right.
So if you can note it down, you should write your own why. It is for your own reference. It is not a homework or a task, but your why should be very, very clear in front of you guys. I have started this business to do this. So once your why is clear, then we will talk about setting goals and how to grow yourself. Let me show you something. Whiteboard. Okay, now we're coming to how do you grow yourself? Right? This is you. So I want you to picture you as a stock. Ranjit is a stock, right? There are so many stocks in the share market. Why we buy and sell some stock? Why we love one stock over another? There must be some reason, right? One stock is going up, one stock is going down. All the managers have gone through the same MBA. They're all MBA from big, big schools. Why one company is up, why one company is down? Why do you think is the reason, Ranjit?
Uh, Obviously, it's a mindset of the people. Depends on that. How they think about to grow the business and
Can you be
everything
a little
else.
louder? Cannot hear you properly.
Yeah, so it totally depends on the mindset of the people, how they want to grow that business or anything totally depends on the mindset. Whether you are studying from the Harvard or any local university, it doesn't matter. If you if your mindset is clear, your goal is clear, you can do anything.
No, what I was asking you, there are so many stocks, right? Let's say
Oh,
there is TTSL, Tata Steel. Okay, you've seen stock market, right? You know how stock market
yeah,
scripts. If you read the news, it'll be telling that some stocks will be in green, some stocks will be in red.
yes.
You don't know. You're in Gujarat. You don't know about stocks.
So I didn't invest in that yet, so I don't know more about that. But little know about like stocks and share market.
Okay, so just so let's say you are a company. So let's say Tata company. Okay, Tata is one company. One second. Tata is one company. You can see the screen, right?
Yeah, I can see that.
Then there is Reliance. Then there is Aditya Birla. You've heard these companies, right?
Yeah, I heard about that.
So tell me, according to you, it is your personal opinion, which company do you like out of these three companies?
Tata.
Tata. Okay. Why do you like?
As we all know that Tata have a big business throughout, not only in the India but all over the world, I think. And it's a big company, and they will create a more opportunity than other than us. So I would love to like Tata.
Okay. Fine. So coming back to my example, stock, some stock price will increase, some company stock price will decrease. There is a reason a company which invests on itself, a company that invests on their employees, company that invests on their customers will always grow. A company who is only interested in making profit. That is why you did not name Reliance, right? Reliance, somewhere the
Yes,
reputation is that they're only interested in people's money,
yes, right.
right? You said Tata. So why I'm giving this example is, so think yourself as a company. So now you are a single man army, right? You don't have a department, HR department, sales department, operations department, training department, right? You are a single man army. You are a solo company. So how does Ranjit's company will grow? Only when you invest in yourself, this company will grow. So you've taken the first step in talking to mentors. That is a very good step you've taken because you are showing that you are serious. There are some other ways of investing in yourself. Number one, networking, the biggest strategy, not networking. Networking also with a strategy. Who should you network with? Network with industry leaders, network with functional leaders. I'll tell you what does it mean. Network with equals, network with subordinates. I'll just show you. If you see, when this is us, let's say this is here. We always have three kind of people. One who is equal to us, one who is below us, and one who is above us, right? So when you're doing networking, you're first doing networking with people who are above us, industry leaders and functional leaders. Equals means people who are equivalent to you. What if there are some other CEOs, founders, start entrepreneurs who are in the same journey, who are running a small 5-member company, 10-member company? You have to network with them also. And subordinate means somebody who's below you. There are a lot of sales executives in a lot of big companies who are junior to you, who are starting afresh, sales people or operation people who are junior to you. But let's say you are the CEO of your company, right? So somebody who's a sales manager in another company who is junior to you, right? You have to, you cannot have one-way networking. You need to have three-way networking. That is how the network grows. Then we will talk about functional leaders. What is industry leaders? Industry means, let's say, manufacturing, healthcare, pharma, automobile. These are industries. So you will start networking with these people. Functional leaders means HR is a function, sales is a function, marketing is a function, training is a function. So you'll have a lot of leaders and thought leaders in these categories. So you can find these people in Quora, in LinkedIn, and in networking events. So there are a lot of sites which tell you the networking events happening in your city. If you go to eventbrite.com and if you go to meetup.com, I'll give you these examples. Are you using these techniques right now?
No, not right now.
Right. So these are for events.
Okay.
The more events you attend, the more people you meet, the better it is for you.
Okay.
You understand what is net worth?
That what?
Yeah. Net worth.
Yeah. So it's a annual turnover.
Sorry.
Annual turnover.
Yeah, close. So net worth is equal to assets minus liability. So let's say Ranjit has one house for 1 crore. Okay. So these are your assets. Plus you have savings for liquid savings for let's say 2 crores. You have gold for let's say 1 crore. And you don't, that's it. You don't have anything else. So how much you have total? 4
4
crore.
crore.
This is your asset. Let's say you taken a loan of 1 crore. This is a bank loan. You have taken some loan, another loan, 50 lakhs from some investor. So total loan is how much?
1 crore 50 lakh.
1.5 crore, right?
Yeah.
So here your total is 4 crore. So this please remember, everybody uses net worth, from a common middle class man to the billionaire industrialist. They'll always look at net worth. So what is your net worth?
4 crore.
Sorry?
4 crores.
No, net worth is assets minus liability. What is liability? You understand what is liability?
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Liability means
4 crore it's assets and 1.5 crore it's liabilities.
liability means what you owe, what you're supposed to give back, right? Debt, basically debt. So net worth means assets minus liabilities. 4 minus 1.5 is equal to, so your net worth is 2.5 CR. So have you read those magazine articles? The net worth of Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos. How much they say? 100 billion, 200 billion, right?
Yeah.
If you go to Google, you can see that. What is that?
So
That
it's
is not money in the bank. That is not cash. That is assets minus liability. That is your net worth. Okay. Whatever total they have minus whatever the total they owe. This concept is clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Net worth. So all businesses run on this net worth formula. Then you say, oh, you understand Hindi, right?
Yeah, I can understand.
So मैं 1 करोड़ का धंधा कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन तुम्हारा लोन अगर 1.5 करोड़ का है, तो कितना नेटवर्थ कितना हो गया? You are doing business for 1 crore, but your bank loan is 1.5 crores. What is your net worth?
इसमें तो net worth हुआ ही नहीं sir.
Negative.
हाँ, negative minus.
50 lakhs, right? Correct. So that's why never you should somebody say ना मैं इतना धंधा कर रहा हूँ, उतना धंधा कर रहा हूँ. Ask them, what is your net worth? Let's say आपने दुकान खोला है, you have a shop, you're saying yeah, I'm doing 10,000 rupees every day, I'm doing 10,000. But how much you're paying your employees, you're paying everything, your loan, हाथ में कितना बचता है? That is important. Net worth is important. Right. So why I'm giving this example is because this fundamental should be very clear. So your net worth is equal to your network. The bigger the network you have, the bigger the net worth you have. It is just, if you have a network of people, it is just like those people are working for you. Okay, let's say I know the top CEOs of 10 companies. So when I write a mail to them, boss, I'm looking for a project. I have a small BPO and I'm looking for this project. So who's working? They are working for you, right? Because they have to give you the project. So indirectly they are working for you. So let's say you know the marketing head of some company. You reach out to them, boss, I see that you are doing a lot of work in healthcare sector. I am also a BPO in the healthcare sector. Can you help me get a project in your company? So who's working? He said, okay, let me get back to you. So he's working for you, right?
Right.
So the more network, so network is like a net. हम लोग मछली पकड़ने के लिए जाल बुनते हैं. So network is like a जाल. So जाल कैसे बुनना है? Three levels. ऊपर, sideways, नीचे. So in your contact, if you go to your LinkedIn, so you have to think, I have to segregate my network into 3 parts. How many connections, how many contacts do you have on LinkedIn?
More than 600.
600. Just go to your My Network tab and just analyze. These people are above me, these people are equal to me, or these people down to me. And there is a strategy how to reach out to these people. If somebody, just make a note of it, okay? The best way to reach out to people is to ask for advice. Okay, the way you contacted me. So anybody who's above you, you have to ask for advice. And advice, when people see advice, they are always interested in giving advice, right? People love to give advice. So when you ask for advice, people will respond to you faster. So today you try it. Write very polite emails. Don't pitch anything. No sales. Okay. LinkedIn is not for sales. Please remember. LinkedIn is for building relationship. So go back to your network. You have 600 people. Just write to 5 people, or let's say 10 people. So, sir, I saw your profile. I am really impressed with your profile. I am a new entrepreneur. I have started this. Can you give me 15 minutes worth of advice, either over an email or over a phone call, how I can grow my business? Right? You should do this every day. Every day. I make it a point that I will speak to one senior every week. Every week मैं किसी न किसी से बात करूंगा ही करूंगा. Senior vice president, CEO. Because that is the discipline that has got into me for last 10 to 12 years. Okay? So you have to make it a point to reach out with advice to people who are above you. Is it making sense? You can ask me if you have questions, if you have doubts.
Yeah, sure.
Is it making sense so far?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2, how do you reach out to people who are equal to you? So let's say there are you'll see a lot of people like you who are in the same journey. They're starting a new company and they're trying to build a team and build the sales and marketing. You reach out to them with what? You reach out to them with value. ऊपर वाले को you have to go with advice. Second वाले को equals को you go with value and a question. Value means, hey, let's say there's somebody else. Let's say Rahul. Rahul, I see that you are a CEO and founder of your company in Bangalore. You're doing an amazing job. I want to take some tips and tricks as to how you grow your company. And by the way, I'm also trying ABCD. I'm trying to do ABCD. Do you think this will work? Okay, so very genuine questions. Don't be fake, very genuinely. So here also you're going with value in the sense you're also giving him some idea, na?
Yeah.
Rahul, I'm trying email marketing. I'm trying Facebook marketing and LinkedIn marketing. Do you think it will work? So if Rahul is not doing LinkedIn marketing, he will also come back to you. Hey, boss, I am only doing email marketing. I'm not doing LinkedIn marketing. So it opens up a discussion, right?
Right.
It opens up a relationship. So you have to do this every day. 10 people, I will tell you how you segregate your time. So that is why the first session is about you. Then subordinates is people who are junior to you. People who are junior to you, what do? You encourage them to open up by giving them compliments. Okay, don't expect something from them, just start giving. First, you'll see in LinkedIn, right? They'll say, congratulate this person who's found a new job. Somebody who's joined, you see a young person like you, 20, 21, 22, like that. So you tell them, boss, congratulations on your new job. I hope you'll do well. That person will revert back to you. Don't do that automated LinkedIn wala. There is an automated section, not happy anniversary, happy congratulations. Write one line extra with your own hands.
Customize it.
Yeah. So that will make a difference. So every day you have to do this. It is a daily job. So okay, I'll give you a good example. You did not understand the example of a stock. I'll give you the example of a plant. Yeah, na? My drawing. This is a plant. So think of you as a plant. If I stop giving water, if I stop giving sunshine, I stop giving minerals and nutrients, will the plant grow?
No, never.
Right? If you put the seed today, just hold on 1 second, Ranjit.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, sorry. So let's say you're putting a seed, right? Let's say mango. If you put the seed and you start digging it tomorrow, where is my mango? What will happen?
Yeah, it took
It's
some time.
stupid, right? Because you know a mango will take only this many years. Or let's say flowers, you
Yeah.
put a small flower, rose plant. What you have to do is you have to water it every day. You cannot say that today I'll water, next week I'll water. आज पानी दूंगा, after 7 days I'll give water. Or sunshine, I will forget it. 1 month I'll give sunshine. Right? So the plant will not grow. It has to be daily. Same with you. You are a extremely high quality seed. If you do not give sunshine, if you do not give water, if you don't give minerals, it will die. Same with your business. So what is sunshine? In our case, sunshine is networking. Okay, so you can note it down. Sunshine is networking. Marketing is water. And great service is our minerals, our nutrients. You have to do this every day. Making sense?
Yes.
So networking is every day, marketing is every day. Whenever you get a project to deliver it is also a everyday business. Okay. So first part of investment is what?
Networking.
Networking, right? Second topic. क्या लिखा है?
Knowledge.
If I don't put knowledge, I'll be only recycling old and stale stuff inside me, right? Where is
Correct.
my, whatever I know today, where is it coming from? Whatever I learned from school, college, which is nothing, plus, minus, division, multiplication, right? That's what we learned after 22 years. Anything else that is useful to you?
No.
History, geography, is it helping you right now?
No.
What did you do your graduation in? You've done your graduation,
My
right?
yeah. It's an IT.
IT. So IT must be helpful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But other than maths and some amount of science, nothing else is really
No,
helpful.
not at all.
Yeah. So whatever knowledge we have is from either from our education or from our direct inference. Inference means friends, family, business acquaintance. Right? This is how we gain knowledge. So the more knowledge I get, the more of old. It is like having a glass of water with, let's say, some amount of mud in it. We have to keep pouring more and more water so the mud comes out, right? First, once the mud is gone, then you keep pouring clean water, it will be good water. So the first step to do is to clean up your old knowledge. Whatever the society is teaching you, whatever we are reading in a blog, whatever we have done, we have to gain more knowledge. Because knowledge is only, if I read a blog today that Dunzo.com is a company in Bangalore. Okay. They have raised $15 million. Tell me, Ranjit, what is that signal to you? What does that signal to you? If you're reading a blog just now, which blogs do you read, or any news articles do you read?
I just read our like local newspaper which comes out every day. It's in Gujarati.
Okay. I'll tell you. I'll exactly tell you what you should read. Tell me, this is the news. Dunzo.com is the logistics company in Bangalore. They have raised some $15 million. So Ranjit, as a CEO of a BPO company, why is this news helpful to you? Tell me. Think. It is a logistics company, right? How does
Okay,
logistics
yeah.
work? How does logistics work?
Supply chain.
Huh? Supply,
Supply chain.
supply chain, right? So that means they have a lot of trucks and they have a lot of customers, right? Like Ola model. Somebody has
Right.
a truck, they will supply a truck to them. That is what Dunzo.com does. I have to transport something from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. I need a truck. I'll call Dunzo.com. Boss, I need one truck. You give me a truck. Just like an Ola model. So if I have a BPO and a call center, if they have raised $15 million, that means they will increase their call center, right? When the operations is increasing, customer service will also increase. So this is an opportunity for me to catch. If they're increasing the operations, their BPO work will also increase. Their call center will increase, their BPO will increase. Getting it?
Yeah.
That is how I am closing all my deals. This is a simple secret because I read every day. Every day, you write, note it down what you should read. Stop reading the local newspaper. It is not helping you. What section do you read?
Nothing special, but I read all the like headlines, what happened. Like, that's it. Nothing else.
So let me just write it down. So the first investment you are doing is networking.
Okay.
Second is knowledge. So what you should read? You should read every day. You should listen every day, and you should share every day. Read economictimes.com, yourstory.com, bccircle.com, mint.com. Every day you will block half an hour. I will speak about time. Because you as an entrepreneur, as CEO, if you are not in control of your time, other will control your time.
All right.
Okay? So from now, at a young age, you should learn this technique of blocking your time. So in this young age, if you learn all the lessons faster, you will be super successful going ahead. Okay? So it is not about money; it is time. If you ask all the top billionaires and millionaires, no, they say
Yes.
money is not important for us. Money
Yeah,
can
it's
be
important.
multiplied. Money can be multiplied, right?
Yeah.
100 रुपए को 300 रुपए कर सकता हूँ, 3 लाख कर सकता हूँ, 3 करोड़ कर सकता हूँ. Can I do the same thing with time?
No.
Time is always going away. खत्म हो रहा है. Right? So always give lot of importance to your time. Do not every minute, every activity should be planned. So it is not that you will not do something fun or something relaxing. You should do, but you should plan for it. See, 3 to 4, I will watch YouTube videos. I will watch Netflix. I will listen to songs. I will meet friends, whatever. 4 to 5 is my reading time. I will not do. जब हम लोग
Anything else.
friends के साथ रहते हैं, when we do watch movies, we don't like interruptions, right?
Right.
Same with work. When we are doing work, nothing else. So this is how you should read. Start early in the morning, whenever you wake. I'm not a big fan of 5 a.m. and all this stuff. I don't do that. But if you are an early riser, whatever time, the first thing you should do is read. Because the mind is fresh, the mind can absorb knowledge faster. Right? After good hours of sleep, the mind is fresh. So I spend every day. Have you seen Mumbai local train?
Yeah, I heard about that. My friend, one of friends is also living in Mumbai.
I take the Mumbai local train every day.
Okay.
You know the situation, right? You're hanging. I take
Yeah.
every day. For the last 5 years, I'm taking the train every day. I can take my car. I can take my car. Why? If I'm driving my car, I'm wasting my time. I'm wasting petrol. I'm just focused on the road I'm driving. But in the train, I can put on my speaker phone. I can listen to audiobooks. I can listen to podcasts. I can write a blog. I have written 50 blogs. Out of 50, I think 10 blogs I've written in the train. You're getting it? How to value your time.
Okay.
So when we get time, we should never waste. So first thing you do is read all the deals. See, people complain there are no leads. You also told, no, where are the clients? I'm not getting clients.
Mhm.
I don't have business. Where is the sales? Everybody says the same thing. In Quora, everybody is saying where to get projects, where to get projects. So I'm giving the trick right now. The secret is here.
Reading.
Reading. Every day, if you go to economictimes.com, there is a section. In Economic Times, there's a section called IT BPO.
Okay.
They only talk about IT and BPO. Let me show you right now. Just hold on. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Can you see the browser?
No, I can't see the browser, but the
Can
last screen which you saw. Yeah.
you see the screen now?
Yeah, I can see here.
The Economic Times IT. 1 second. So you go to Economic Times and you go to industry. In industry, there'll be a section called more tech. You go to tech,
Okay.
you can see all the IT, ITS related news. 1 second. There was a section for. You can see this ITES.
Mm-hmm.
What is ITES? IT enabled services. BPO. BPO is part of IT enabled services, right? So when you're jumping into a industry or a business, you should know the business very well. What industry? If you're, let's say, you want to start making steering wheels, so that is part of which industry?
Automobile.
Automobile, right? It is not part of food and agriculture, right? It's clear.
Correct.
So same way, BPO is part of the IT enabled services industry. So if you click here, see, you can see all the deals are everywhere. Everywhere there is deal. You should know how to catch. Okay, so Economic Times ITS section. If you have that physical paper, which 6 rupees or 7 rupees, the,
Mm-hmm.
the newspaper. So you stop your local newspaper and get that. It's a better investment. Then what you do is go to Mint. So basically, you should hang out where your business is hanging out. So if you're in the BPO industry, are the BPO industry people hanging out? This is where they're hanging out. Okay, so if you write over here, search BPO, it'll give you all the BPO related news. Clients will want solutions to reduce their costs. Keshav Murgesh. Who is Keshav Murgesh?
I don't know.
Okay, so start networking, knowing about people. Keshav Murgesh is the president of NASCOM. What is NASCOM?
I heard about this company.
NASCOM is the body that makes the policies for IT and BPO companies in India. NASCOM. Okay. So he is the president, he is the CEO of one of the largest BPO companies in India called WNS. It's in Pune based company. They have more than 1 lakh employees.
Oh,
They also started from very scratch 20 years back. From 15 people they started. Now they're 1 lakh people. You want to be like that, right? That's what you told me.
yes.
So you should start reading about your industry, knowing about your industry leaders, making friends with everybody. So Keshav Murgesh is telling clients will want solution to reduce their costs. So what is, tell me as a BPO entrepreneur, what is the signal? What is it telling you?
Uh, they want some idea about like reducing the cost.
Sorry?
They want some idea about like reducing the cost
What,
or
what Keshav is saying that his clients are asking for a cheaper service. Because of COVID, जो धंधा आप कर रहे थे, let's say Keshav was selling his service. He was selling, let's say, data entry work to some American company at, let's say, $100 per month. Now, because of this slowdown and COVID, the client is selling, boss, I cannot give you $100. I'll give you $50. Okay. That is what he's saying. The clients want solutions to reduce their costs. So, as an entrepreneur, I have my BPO, right? What I will do, I will reach out to Keshav. I will write in that email in the LinkedIn, Keshav, I was so inspired to read your article in Mint today. I can help you reduce your costs. You give me the work, I'll do it at $30. Making sense? You know something called subcontracting?
yes, I know
What is
about that.
subcontracting?
Someone like as you like told me, give me this example. It's like that. Someone is like directly connected with the company, and we are contact with that people who directly contact with the company. So we are some contractor of that.
Correct. So when I read this news, is it giving me an opportunity to subcontract from WNS or not?
Yes.
This is a clear signal. This is a clear signal. See, if you see this, all this news, see, IT employees union right to Uddhav Thackeray over layoffs. Let me read the news. See, this is how I do. Let me read the news. Always try to look for some person's name. So I got one name here, this guy, Harpreet Saluja. Can you see this? Harpreet Saluja.
No.
Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see here.
What is Harpreet Saluja doing? He is the National Information Technology Employees Senate. He is representing this organization called NITES. So what I'll do is, just hold on. I got that name. I go to LinkedIn. So I think this guy, Gemini. I am thinking this is the guy. Okay. So what I do is I connect with him, right? So I read one news here and I went connected with him. What I write in the connect message, sir, I was inspired to read your article on Mint today. Let's stay connected. Very genuine. ठीक है कुछ कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं करना है एवरी कनेक्शन आपको इंडिविजुअली भेजना है एंड आई सेंड द इनविटेशन so when Harpreet is reading he'll feel happy right somebody read my article somebody is connecting with me so he will have good impression about you let's see one more news so if I look at this news Keshav Murgesh see what is written over here Keshav Murgesh is the Group Chief Executive Officer of WNS Global Services and the former chairman of NASCOM. Got? So this is how you have to read every day. So let's say I go to your story. Your story is full of deals. See this guy. Let's look at this news. This on-demand vehicle service and repair startup invested rupees 4 crores every in first year of operation. You can read the news, right? You'll see somebody's name will be this company name is Ready Assist.
Ready Assist.
Okay. What this company does is it provides repairs and services for bikes and cars. Who's the main guy? Everything is mentioned over here. Vimal Singh. Okay. I go to LinkedIn. Got it? This guy? See what I'm doing right now. Hi, Vimal. Got it?
Show me the message, sir, because I can't hear your full screen. That's why.
You cannot see the message?
No, because it's not showing the full screen.
1 second. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see it.
You can read it?
Still, it's not showing the full message, sir.
What can you read?
I can only see here, hi Vimal, it, and second line about you, third line BPO which, and fourth line stay connect. That's it.
Why can't you see? Can you see now?
I don't know. No, I am unable to see full message, sir. Yeah, I can see it now. I was trying to be about
Now you read it?
Yeah.
Are you on phone, right? Mobile phone.
Yes.
That's why you cannot see the font. But you saw the message, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Let me show you 1 second. Can you see this now?
Yeah, I can see.
Let me try something. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
What is written?
Hi, Vimal. It was inspiring to read about you in your state.com. I ran a BPO which employs women. Let's stay connected.
Make sense?
Okay.
This is what you have to do every day. If you add 10 connections, at the end of the month, you'll have 300 connections. At the end of the year, you'll have 3,600 connections. 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, just imagine a network, what it will become. Right? So this is the starting point. What if I was not reading this article today? क्या होता मैं अगर ये आर्टिकल पढ़ता ही नहीं व्हाट इफ आई वाज नॉट रीडिंग दिस आर्टिकल आई वुड हैव मिस्ड आउट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी राइट
Miss कर रहे हैं. Yeah.
लेट्स डू वन मोर डील you can see the screen
Yeah.
your story
Yes.
okay your story see it has got so many options here automobile startup online vehicle repair I'll go to automobile startup it'll give me all the companies who are in automobile startup car dekho plans to expand the footprint in Southeast Asia can you read the screen
Yeah, I can read that.
just read me out and tell me what is the opportunity for you. What's the opportunity? Just by reading the headline, you should be able to figure out क्या है इसमें धंधा क्या है क्या what can we do what is the business so car देखो is expanding any time they're expanding means their BPO will increase their outsourcing will increase that is the golden rule if you go to car dekho let's go to cardekho.com website can you see this part this part
Yeah, I can see that.
what is written
Connect with us, and they have mentioned the toll-free number and email address, and few links are mentioned there.
what are these 1-800 200 3000 toll free what is that
It's their customer care number.
BPO
Yeah.
right so it tells you cardeko.com as a BPO as a call center support at cardeko.com who's taking all these emails the
There
owner
are
is the owner
executives.
is not taking the email right
Yeah.
Who's taking these emails?
The person who like
The
assigned to
BPO.
see this, like other customer executives, customer service executives.
BPO. So customer service is nothing but a
Yeah.
BPO, right? Car Dhokha is outsourced to a company in Bombay. There are 150 people working only for email, chat support, and call center. Do you think Car Dhokha will do all these things? They have outsourced to a BPO company, contacting the dealers, dealer solutions. Contact us, feedback. These are all, it is giving you a signal because these are all BPO services. So when there somebody is expanding, what will happen? The BPO will automatically expand. समझ में आ रहा है? You can even stop me. If you're not understanding, then you can stop me. There's no point going ahead if you don't understand.
Uh, okay, so can we do the same thing with the like outside of the country, like in the different geography area? The same thing.
So if I am a BPO which can support multiple languages, today Google has Google Translate, right? Somebody is sending me a mail. What is the language of Indonesia? Indonesia language is Bahasa.
Indonesian,
Bahasa.
Indonesian.
Okay. If somebody is sending me an email in Bahasa, I can just go to Google Translate, put it there, and reply to him in Bahasa. What is the big deal? Today in India, in Bombay, Bangalore, and Chennai, they're running email support for France, for Germany, for so many countries. Do you think they all know this language? So English is not the only language, and the more languages you know, the more money you can charge. Japanese, Chinese, you can charge instead of $10 per hour, you can charge $50 per hour. कुछ कुछ दिमाग खुल रहा है? See, in the bottom you can see there are so many other websites they have. Zig Wheels, Bike Dekho, Insurance Dekho, Car Dekho, Gadi Store. So you can pitch multiple things to these companies. They're a big company. I know one of my friends is only running that call center in Bombay. They're doing 150, 200 seats with them. All calls. Somebody let's say I want to buy a car. Oh, I want to buy a second hand car. I want to know बस क्या है. I will call this number. वो कॉल कहाँ पे जाएगा? BPO में जाएगा.
BPO में जाएगा.
So see, one small piece of news can open up $1 million opportunities for you. So the question is, are you able to track these signals? धंधा business is floating everywhere, right? हर हर जगह is business. आप पकड़ पा रहे हो क्या? Are you able to catch those business? That is the question. That is why today's first session is all about you. If you are capable, you will catch. If the magnet is powerful, it will catch all the iron. If the small magnet, उसका पावर नहीं रहेगा ना, छोटे चीज को खींचेगा. बड़ा मैग्नेट लेके आओ, वो खींचेगा ज्यादा चीज को. So बड़ा कैसे करना है? You have to invest in yourself. Knowledge. Is it making sense or is some time waste?
No, it's making sense.
This is
And
what I do every day. I have two people under me, sales managers. They do it every single day. I've given them different segment. One guy will only go for agriculture companies, agri-tech. One guy will go for only finance companies. One guy will go for only automobiles. The segregation is done. And I will also read and build my own network every day. It is, what is it? Knowledge is what? Sunshine. No. Networking is sunshine.
network
Knowledge is
sunshine.
marketing. This is you're doing marketing, right? It is water. So if you one day you don't read news, you think that you're not given water to your plant. Okay. So this is all about reading and finding out. We will discuss more about the strategies. Okay. कहाँ पे क्या पढ़ना है? So for now, create a new discipline, create a new life. You cannot have a new life with old habits. You have to change your old habits. Okay. So I given you all this You can see the screen right now.
Okay.
So you will start reading
Yes.
et.com, yourstory.com, VC Circle, Mint, everything. What you will listen?
Podcast.
Networking, reading, listening, everything you should do within 45 minutes, not more than that. Don't be always reading, 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 not doing anything. That is also bad. 45 minutes. Put your phone on silent mode or airplane mode. 45 minutes you will block doing everything. Alright? You see it? So if you're so this is all basically gold. You're sitting on gold. You should have the capability of getting that gold. I showed you in 5 minutes. I showed you 3 deals. I sent 3 requests.
Yeah.
Now they'll revert back to me. I will open up the discussion. I can close. If things go well, I can close at least 50 seats. Keshav Murgesh is a big guy. He will say, "Boss, I
Right.
don't have time. You speak to my marketing vice president or whoever." I want that only, na. You show me who is responsible. Done. Then what you do is share. You have to do sharing. Sharing means appreciate somebody else's work and you spread the news. Like I said, you go to somebody else's, you ask for advice, you ask for directions, go to your juniors, go to your seniors, go to your um, equivalents, and you find the news. Making sense? You made notes of this?
Yes.
Okay. So networking and knowledge are the two investments that you will do every day, and the more you invest, the more returns it will give you. ठीक है ना? Now let's talk about setting goals. The most important part of any business, any business. I have worked in all big companies. I am running my own business. If you do not have a goal, you're doing time pass. Time pass. If you don't have a goal, it is time pass. It is a hobby. It is not a business. Okay. So if I am running a sales team of 2 people and my total team size is 800 people right now, what goals do you think I will set every year in the month of January? What goals will I set as a company? कंपनी का कुछ तो गोल
Get the
होता है
more
ना?
clients.
Sorry, come again.
Yes. To get the more clients.
Yeah. So I'll tell you what are some goals. Hold on. Goals can be can you see it? clearly?
No.
Hold on. Can you see this?
Yes.
So there are 4 types of goals you can set. There are many more goals you can set. So let's say Mukesh Ambani, what goal he'll set? हमको 2021 में क्या करना है? What do you think he'll be telling his team? He will set something like a market share goal. That end of the year, Geo should be 20% of all mobile phone users, right? This is a good goal for Geo. Sometimes you can say that, we did $1 billion, let's do $3 billion in 2021. It can be a goal. Sometimes you say, this year, let's acquire 50 new clients. Type of logos. This year, I want top 20 of the best in the industry. I want to work with Apple. I want to work with Google. I want to work with Facebook. This can be one kind of goal. Number of testimonials. I want to have 10 customer test. What is testimonials?
Feedback.
Yep. The feedback that they share about you. Number of testimonials. I want to have 10 customer testimonials this month. छोटा कंपनी से लेके बड़ा कंपनी तक, these are the goals they'll set. There could be some more goals also, but broadly, these are the kind of goals they will set for startups, for enterprises, for big companies. These are the goals. Goals have to be broken down into year, quarter, month. Next question is, as a startup, what goals should Ranjit have? Out of all these 5 goals, which goal you should keep?
Second one.
Second one?
Yeah.
I would say you should go with your first job is to find customers who will like your service. Because when you approach a client, what is the first question on the client? Who have you worked with? What should be your first step? Your first step should be to get 10 clients who will tell good about you. I have used Ranjit's service. His pricing is good. His service delivery is good. They should document it. So don't go for clients. First, you should go for testimonials. How to get testimonials? Give them free. स्टार्टिंग में फ्री में काम करना पड़ता है, ठीक है? To build up your credentials, to build your reputation in the market, you have to keep a goal of getting X number of testimonials this month, this quarter. तो beg them, borrow, steal, whatever. सर मुझे काम दे दो, मैं आपको काम दिखाता हूँ. In return, I'm giving you a discount, throwaway price. Let's say 100 रुपए के काम सर मैं आपको 30 रुपए में करके देता हूँ, ठीक है? लेकिन मुझे आप एक टेस्टिमोनियल दे दो, either a video testimonial or a email testimonial, whatever. So what should be your goal first? To get testimonials. Is it making sense? Or you want to disagree with me? It's okay if you want to disagree with me.
It's making sense, but I tried a lot to. Even I
We'll come to that. We'll come to that. We'll come to that. What mistakes you're doing or what changes you have to make. We'll figure it out. See, sometimes what happens is if you have a great product, but you are standing in the wrong market, they will not buy. Let's say you you're you're trying to sell very expensive laptop, but you're going to, let's say, Apple. You've seen Apple MacBook, right? Apple MacBook is what is the price?
It's a start from 1 lakh, I think.
1 lakh. Let's say you are the salesman for Apple. You take the Apple MacBook and you stand in front of a government office. Sir, ले लीजिए ना, sir, ले लीजिए ना. Do you think people will buy?
Never.
So you are standing in the wrong place. You have a great product. So that is why I gave you that matrix. If you see the course structure, once again, that GIFP I told you, no? Geography, industry, function, this one, your services and demographics matrix. This is very, very important. Your service has to match to the right industry, to the right person. If you are a small guy, you're writing to a very big company, they will not listen to you, they'll ignore you. Right? Or if you are a very big guy, you're writing to a small company, they cannot afford you. So the fitment has to be correct. So we'll talk about it later. But right now, your job is to get those 10 customers who will tell, "Ki, boss, we have used Ranjit services. He's good." Did you offer them free?
Sure.
Did you offer them?
But yeah, in some discounts, might be.
Sorry, come again.
I will offer them some discounts or might be like free of
So
course.
you said you tried with a lot of people. So did you offer them free service?
Yeah, I offered them many times free services, but
Who did you offer? Who who did you offer?
actually I offered to the like clients from the different US.
So, sorry, in the US, clients who are in the US. Just come again. I cannot hear you.
Okay, so actually my focus is on UX, UK, Australia. So I approached all the clients like from different geography to work with them for free.
What do you mean by clients? What do you mean by client? Who is that person? Which industry? Which designation? Who were you targeting? Was there a structured targeting?
I was just writing the messages to the vice presidents, directors, board members,
How many, how many,
operations.
how many emails did you send? Approximately
Approximately 40, around 40 to 45.
40 in one day.
No, I am asking about the people, like 40, around people I sent the messages to them.
How many responded?
Few of them responded, but they said no.
Few responded.
Yeah.
Okay. That means people read your emails. So that is when you have to start thinking. In your mind, your client should be very clear. Who is my client? We'll talk about it in the next session.
Okay.
You cannot target everybody. That is a disaster. If you see, I'll give you an example. Surf. You use surf?
No.
Surf, detergent.
Yeah.
Surf Excel powder.
Surf Excel, yeah.
Who are the targeting?
Housewives.
Yes. Are they targeting the men?
No,
Are they targeting young girls?
no,
Their target is very, very clear. If a company जिसके पास 10,000 करोड़ है marketing के लिए, they are narrowing down their target. They can run ads for the next 100 years. They have so much of money. Hindustan Lever, but they are focusing only one segment. Then as a startup, how can you write to everybody? That is the first mistake people do. You should know your client very, very well. So we will talk which industry, what is the size of the company, which location, what designation, which sub industry. There's also a lot of sub industries. Which sub industries we should target. When you are focused, you will get results. If you are everywhere, you're nowhere. So Ranjit, you are learning very good lessons, which a lot of other people are not learning today, right? Because you have invested that time and resource. So the faster you learn, the quickly you apply, you'll be more successful. Okay. So you go back to your emails and you see, मैंने email किसको भेजा? ऐसे किसी को यूएस में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सबको वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को भेज दिया, और was there a structured campaign that I will send to all the healthcare industries who are in the range of 1 to 50 employees. Okay, you cannot send to healthcare. Maybe there are multiple companies, right? Chota company, medium sized companies, large companies. I cannot write to everybody. Remember this one rule right now. There's something called tier. You understand tier? Can you
yes.
see the screen?
For second, yeah, I can see that.
What is this?
Tier kind of like levels.
You always remember this golden rule. Tier attracts tier. If I am working in a big company, let's say Ranjit, you have right now 50 lakh rupees. Do you think you will buy a Wagoner?
No,
What you will buy?
I will
Mercedes?
go with the yeah BMW Mercedes.
BMW, Mercedes? Do you think a Wagoner guy will approach you if you are a rich person? Do you think, sir,
No,
CEO, let's say your company name is Ranjit and Ranjit Private Limited BPO. Do you think a Wagoner का जो salesman है, do you think he will even dare to approach you? Why?
no.
हिंदी में बोलते हैं औकात, ठीक है? तो जो जिसका लेवल है उसको वो लेवल में सामान बेचो. If I am a middle class person, okay, this person can afford Honda City. तो Honda City वाले मेरे पास आएंगे. मेरे पास BMW Mercedes वाले नहीं आएंगे.
Right.
So this applies to everything, every business. from पान वाला से लेके BPO कंपनी तक. You should work in your tier. If you have the guts and the confidence, I'll share one blog with you of Suresh Kumar. I interviewed him. He's a small company, but he's getting big clients. Why? He's got a different strategy. His team has got a phenomenal team, amazing team member he's got. They can do but they can build world-class products. He's got the guts to go to big companies. So nothing is stopping you. I'm not saying that don't go, but when you're starting off, first focus. First thing is focus. You understood this goal? You can write down the type of goals.
Yeah.
It will be in the video. I can send it to you. So what you have to do is you have to break down your goals into month, week, and quarter. When you wake up every day, you should know what you're waking up for. आज मुझे ये करना है, मुझे 10 नए लोगों को ऐड करना है, 10 new people I have to reach out and pitch my services. Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, wherever. Right? So your goal should be like this: daily goals, daily, weekly, monthly. Tell me how does goal work? गोल हम लोग डेली डेली से ईयरली करते हैं कि ईयरली से डेली करते हैं?
डेली से ईयरली,
सॉरी,
डेली से ईयरली करते हैं।
नो, इट इज ऑलवेज, you've done
Yes.
engineering, right?
IT, bachelor.
You know this concept of reverse engineering?
Yes.
First you set your yearly goal. I need to have 20 clients. Let's say for calculation, let's say 24 clients. Monthly कितना चाहिए मुझे?
Well,
नहीं, yearly 24 है, monthly कितना?
monthly two.
Sorry,
Two. Can you hear me?
I cannot hear you.
Hello.
I can hear you now. Tell me.
Yes, two.
Monthly you will have 2 clients, right?
Clients. Yeah.
Mathematics, simple. 24 divided by 12. Weekly मुझे कितना client करना पड़ेगा? समझ में आ रहा है? This is how you set goals. You should never forget it. It is always ulta. First you set yearly goals, you get monthly goals, weekly goals. Making sense?
Yeah.
This is how you set goals. Let's say tomorrow you hire somebody, you hire a salesperson. What will you give him if you are not clear about your own goals? How will you give him a target? अगर I'm hiring somebody tomorrow, let's say मेरे पास थोड़ा पैसा आ गया, I can hire somebody, a sales guy. मैं उसको क्या बोलूँगा क्या करने के लिए? I have to set these goals, right? Because every day you have to make 50 phone calls or 50 emails. If you do 50, only then weekly we can close 1 client. We can close monthly 2 clients. Then only we can hit our goal. Right? So in your case, you have to do like this. Let's say, let's keep a very small goal, 3-month goal. June, July, August. Ranjit should have 5 customer testimonials. Take this goal, इसको अपने दीवार में चिपका दो. Goals have to be visible. फोन में चिपकाओ, डेस्कटॉप में चिपकाओ, अपने दीवार में चिपकाओ. You should know your goals. Hit your goals. जब तक दिखता नहीं है और your brain will not work. Human brains are made like that. When I see something, घर में बर्तन पड़े रहते हैं, नहीं धुले रहते हैं, उसको दिखता है तभी तो मन करता है धोना पड़ेगा, राइट? कपड़े पड़े रहते हैं. Let's say I owe money to somebody. मैंने दूध वाले को पैसे नहीं दिया, दूध वाला के खड़ा होता तभी मेरे को दिमाग में आता ना इसको पैसा देना है. So when there is no visible goal, human beings don't act. They are not motivated to act. You have to make your goals visible. What is your right? So you have to make sure. Why are you holding the phone? Why can't you keep it? रखने के लिए जगह नहीं है क्या? मतलब
नहीं हाथ में पकड़ा हुआ है,
Sorry.
हाथ में पकड़ा हुआ है।
So Ranjit, is it making sense?
Yes.
Are you getting?
Yeah.
So starting from a big billion-dollar company to a small startup, this is how business is run. Unless you have a goal, what is it?
Visible.
If you don't have a goal,
Time pass.
समझ में आया? That if you take yourself seriously, people will take you seriously. So the best way to put seriousness and pressure on yourself is अपने सामने में अपना गोल चिपका दो, हाथ में लिखो पेपर में, जून जुलाई अगस्त, नॉट अगले साल, ये साल
22.
मुझे 5 कस्टमर टेस्टिमोनियल्स चाहिए, कुछ भी करो, देन योर ब्रेन विल वर्क रिवर्स. मुझे 3 महीने में 5 चाहिए, तो 1 महीने में कितना चाहिए?
1 or 2. Set 2, 1.
Let's keep it simple. Let's say 6. 1 month is how much?
2.
2.
Yes.
मुझे 2 कस्टमर टेस्टिमोनियल चाहिए ये महीना जून. When your goal is very clear, you will know what to do next backwards. 2 लेने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? मुझे 50 लोगों से बात करना पड़ेगा एवरी डे, एक क्लाइंट को क्लोज करने के लिए. I have to send this many emails, I have to make this many phone calls, I have to send this many requests. So this is all about goal setting. This is all about personal investment. Ask me questions. Now is Q&A time. Doubts? You agree, disagree? You have a better idea, you have a new idea. This is the time when we can discuss all this.
Everything you told me is right. I agree with that. And the thing I just want to know, I guess what happens sometimes, like I send them a messages on LinkedIn messages and send them emails as well. So like why people are not responding to any person who have like newly started their business?
There are 4 reasons why people don't respond. Number 1, you're not in the right tier. You spoke about tier, right? Maybe you're sending to the wrong tier. You have to put yourself in the customer's shoes. If you're the vice president of a company, how many emails you will get every day?
So many emails.
Hmm?
So many emails, around like 40, 50.
Average is 300.
Oh.
Typical manager will receive 100 emails. Vice president all typical receive 300 emails a day. A vice president is a busy person or not?
Of course.
Extremely busy, right? What is he busy with?
The emails, prioritize them. Like
No, you have to start thinking. आपने जो mail भेजा vice president को, open one email and show it to me. Or if you remember, who did you send it to? Tell me. किसी को याद है किसको भेजा था?
emails तो नहीं होगा सर, क्योंकि वो अलग अलग जगह से वो पीसी में से है। और मैंने कुछ मैसेजेस सेंड किए थे उनको, मैसेज में दिखा सकता हूँ अगर।
Just give me a name, vice president of this company, and you send this email.
होल्ड ऑन सर, मैं दिखा रहा हूँ उसको। मैंने सर लिंक्डइन मैसेज सेंड किया था, मतलब काफी लोग, मोस्ट ऑफ मैं लिंक्डइन मैसेजेस सेंड करता हूँ लोगों को।
Do you have a website?
नो सर।
Why will somebody trust you? If you have sent it to a vice president, if, let's say he saw your email, he wants to know about you. Where does he go?
They can respond me back if
That's what I was asking you. What does the vice president do? You didn't give me the name of the company. So let's say example, you wrote it to vice president of Pepsi. Okay. What does the vice president of a Pepsi company do? He's responsible for growing the company, right? Bringing in more business. I don't know. I also don't know which designation you sent. You're only saying vice president. There are 100 types of vice president. Vice president of operations, supply chain, marketing, customer service, what? Who did you send? So the first rule is that is why we're not skipping the steps. We're focusing on your mindset and your goals. You have to first know how to crawl before you walk. You have to first know how to walk before you run. Okay. That is the reason you have come to me to learn all this. You've broken the first rule of business. You don't know your customer and you don't know yourself. That is the first rule. You are trying to sell a MacBook in front of poor people, right? Or vice versa. You're trying to sell a WagonR to a rich person. क्या होगा दोनों केस में क्या होगा? धक्का ही मिलेगा ना? So that is the first rule of business. You should know who your customer is and who you are. Once you match these two, only then business. What is the business? It's a shake hand between two equals. हाँ मुझे इस चीज की जरूरत है, तुम ये चीज देते हो, चलो let's do business, right? You have not ascertained whether he has a need or not. First of all, he is your customer or not, you don't know. You just randomly taking some vice president, but nothing wrong. So don't blame yourself. Every startup, every new person makes the same mistake. Okay. So first, the rule of business is start before you can walk, crawl. Before you can run, walk. Don't skip the steps. You will only fall. Making sense? So first, get your foundation correct. You cannot do trigonometry in class 1, right? Trigonometry पढ़ाते हैं क्या class 1 में?
नहीं।
Trigonometry पढ़ाए कि नहीं स्कूल में?
हाँ।
कौन से क्लास में हम लोग पढ़े थे?
क्लास 1 में तो नहीं, काफी आगे चल के मैंने काफी
9th 10th में पढ़ते हैं ना ट्रिग्नोमेट्री?
10 में। हाँ।
क्लास 1 को पढ़ाऊंगा तो क्या होगा?
नहीं समझ आएगा।
Correct. Because his brain has not developed from 1 to 9. That person, the brain has to go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, class 9. Only then if you teach him trigonometry, he'll understand. Right? Same with business. हम अगर अपना फाउंडेशन अगर स्ट्रांग नहीं करेंगे, सीधा जाके कुछ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री करने जाएंगे तो गलती होगा ना. So this is foundation. So now you have to go back and think, go and check all your emails. मैंने किसको भेजा था, क्या भेजा था और क्यों भेजा था. Then you'll get your own answers. What is the mistake you did? And please remember, mistakes are very good because we learn from mistakes. Fine. Ask me some other questions.
Okay, so as you like told me, like do you have website? So website is
Past. I cannot hear you.
So website is important for this.
No, sorry.
Website is important, like to have a website of your company. Is it mandatory?
नहीं अब कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा यार, तो जोर से बोलो.
हेलो।
लिटिल बिट आ रहा है।
हाँ तो सर वेबसाइट मतलब होना कंपलसरी है क्या कोई मतलब किसी भी बिजनेस का?
तो वो टेस्टिमोनियल्स कहाँ पे डालोगे तुम? How will you tell the whole world that I have 10 people, these people have worked with me and they're good? तुमको शॉर्टकट चाहिए, शॉर्टकट. We will speak about it. If you don't have a website, how do you capture all the information? Right? But somewhere they should be able to see you, right? Website क्यों होता है? Let's say somebody is sending you some information. Ranjit, I have this is a new software I have launched. Please buy. आप सीधा खरीद लेते हो उसको?
नहीं।
जब आप नहीं खरीदते हो, then how do you expect you sending a mail and somebody responding? What you will do when somebody sends an email? You'll go to the website first, right? You look,
Yeah.
who are these people? Let me see. You went to, there'll be something called social proof. You went to my Quora profile, right? You went to my LinkedIn profile. Then you would have gone to my website. Have you seen my website?
Yeah, I saw that.
Which one? What is the name of the website?
Karma Works.
Okay. Achha, you didn't see the main website. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
This is the main website of BPO. It's called bpokarma.com. Right? So I can put blogs here. Clients, resources. We'll talk about my books, my this thing. Karma Works. Let's see. Let's go to Karma Works. You see this reviews? Can you see this?
Yes.
The zoom किया. These are the testimonials. हमको ये चाहिए. Somebody who should tell good about us. You can see Nilesh Jain. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Right? Suryakant, Murli, Akram Khan. Okay. These are my first testimonials. I have more testimonials. I have more than 20 or 30. हमको इसके लिए पहले काम करना है. ठीक है? तो my website is the most worst looking website, but it is doing the job. It is not very fancy, very good looking website, but clean है ना? Is it looking clean?
Yeah.
It's got all the latest. See, this is the blog you should read. I've interviewed this guy called Suresh Kumar. Okay, I'll send you this link in chat. You got the link?
Yeah.
Okay, read it. He was just an ordinary guy selling tea in Chennai. ठीक है, चाय बेचता था वो चेन्नई में. इंजीनियरिंग, उसने इंजीनियरिंग किया था. तमिलनाडु में everybody is an engineer, right? Engineer is not a big thing in Tamil Nadu. तो उसको बस HTML बनाना था HTML. He knew HTML coding. So 6 years back he started his business. 6 years back. Sorry, no, 8 years back. 2012 में चालू किया. Now he's doing 40 crores. ठीक है? आप उसको पढ़ो, you'll get a lot of inspiration.
Sure.
So don't be focused. थोड़ा सीधा ऊपर. Don't go to when you are climbing a mountain, na? How do you climb a mountain? You break the mountain into parts. First step मैं first 10 किलोमीटर क्रॉस करूंगा. उसको फिर ये यहाँ पे चढ़ूंगा. जो माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ते हैं ऐसे चढ़ते हैं ना, बेस कैंप. They call it base camp. Base camp 1, base camp 2, base camp 3. Then they call the summit. Same thing. Don't straight away think, अरे मैं वहाँ क्यों नहीं पहुंच पा रहा हूँ. You break the goal into multiple parts. then only you'll be successful. So your task for next Saturday, we're meeting next Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Your task is to analyze each and every email yourself. You have to think, who did I send? You have to show me in writing. Yeah, Word document, Excel, whatever. I sent this email to this person of this company. This is the designation of the person, and this is what I pitched him. वो respond किया कि नहीं किया नहीं किया ठीक है just make one simple Excel sheet and show it to me. This is your task. Second task is, it is an evergreen task which you'll continue to do every day. What will you do every day?
Reading, listening, share.
First, what is the first part? Sunshine.
Yeah, networking.
Sorry?
Networking.
Yes. Never
Marketing.
Yes. Networking and marketing is a daily activity. If you say कि अरे यार सांस लेना मजा नहीं आ रहा, सांस लेने में बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है, I'll stop taking breath. आज बंद कर देता हूँ. क्या होगा? So marketing and networking are like oxygen. If you stop taking it, you're done. Okay. Any further question before we wrap it up?
Not as of now.
So tell me, what are your key takeaways today? What did you like? What did you dislike about the session today?
Seriously, I learned a new thing today because I trying to getting the clients. I try all the way that I know, but I didn't get nothing. So I learned today that we have to like separate the goals in different parts. And as you like told me, like even before I was not following the like any schedule or something. Today I learned that we have to do. We have to make a strict set schedule. Like you told me, you have to do a networking and marketing every day. So that's the new thing I learned today. And you told me some about news articles you have read on Economics Times and your story and other websites. So you get the clients from them, and you get the new information from them as well. So that's the new thing. And everything I learned today is new for me, seriously, and it's very helpful in future as well.
Okay. So just Ranjit, think. So when was the last time you learned something? Did you learn something? कुछ नया सीखा था कभी पहले? कुछ मतलब very recently? Like learning guitar or learning coding, learning piano, learning football. कुछ नया सीखा है? Last, what did you learn last?
Yes. Computer programming.
Programming, right?
Yeah.
So when you started, you focused on the fundamentals, right?
All right.
So it is the first rule of, like I said, it is the first rule of learning anything is crawl, walk, run. When you want to, let's say I want to learn guitar, मैं सीधा जाके पूरा गाना नहीं बजाना चालू कर दूंगा ना कॉन्सर्ट में जाके. I have to do all the basic stuff. If I like it or not, I have to, if I want to be a good player, I have to go through the same thing. Somebody wants to learn cricket, I want to be best batsman. सीधे जाके IPL तो नहीं खेलेगा ना. He'll have to slog it out in the nets, run 20 rounds in the field, work or do all the exercise, all the dirty things you have to do in the beginning. Only then you will become Virat Kohli or Tendulkar.
Right.
Yeah, so think like you are getting your foundation correct. This is all foundation level stuff. Once your foundation is strong, you can build a good, very good building on that. Okay, Ranjit. So please focus on your task. Go back to whatever was told, and let's meet on Saturday, 12 p.m.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Take care.
Thank you, sir.